Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to draw this awesome strawberry boba tea. Well, let's get started. So we're going to start off with this cylinder for the cup. So we're going to establish 2 dots. That determines the width of our cup. And then we're going to draw this foreshortened circle. So we are drawing 3D today. I'm curving a line to the left and then to the right. It's going to create the lip of this cup. See that curve? I'm going to match it. Matching curves. That's one of the secrets to drawing a cylinder. And let's start drawing the sides of the cup now. Once again, matching that curve down. Good job, guys. Look at that. We just made a cup. I'm going to add a little bit more depth to this. So it's a little bit of overlapping this bottom part of the cup. Fantastic. So we're going to go ahead now and work on the expression. So you see we have those circles for the eye. And these expressions really make these characters, especially their cuteness, which they're known for. Big eyes and a little mouth. Little line that curves up for a tongue. And I'm going to have a larger circle and a smaller circle. These are white highlights inside of the eye. And then I'm going to draw another circle, but I'm not going to draw it through my 2 circles. I'm going to fill them in. That makes the black part of the eye. Okay, so we're going to curve a line up. And this is going to be the strawberry. I'm erasing out this construction line. So sometimes when we build with shapes and forms, we do have construction lines that we erase. It's always good to draw lightly. So I have 2 dots, a foreshortened circle. That's going to be the stem for a strawberry. Erasing out a construction line there. And then now look at this. I'm curving a line to the left and then curving a line to the right. Kind of looks a little bit like a football shape. Same thing, curving a line to the left, to the right. This one's going to be a little bit S-curved at the top. And we're just rocking and rolling, guys. Look at that. We already got the top of the strawberry finished. We have these little details to the strawberry. And I do have a free coloring page of this, so you could actually practice your coloring. Whether using Posca markers, alcohol-based markers, colored pencils, crayons. You can still color along with me. I like to show you how you could use color as value. And usually you want a 24 to 48 pack of colors. So you have a larger range of value to choose from. So what I'm trying to say is there's like yellow greens, greens, blue greens, there's lighter to darker greens, right, reds and such. When you have those 24 to 48 packs of whatever you're coloring with. I do like the Posca markers for paint markers, and there's a new one called Arctics that they're very good. You might be seeing those in a few videos coming up. So I'm just going in with a Sharpie marker to outline. I know at Hobby Lobby they have those manga pen kits, which are really cool. They have some fine detailed markers, brush tip markers. So you notice how I'm using value? I made the top of it lighter and the bottom darker. And you can see it's backlit, so the left and right hand side of the strawberry is lighter pink, and I'm going with the red for the darker. And I'm going a little bit of a darker red and the darker greens to add some shadows. Kind of going back, refreshing that black outline. Adding the little light blue eyes, some white highlights on the boba pearls, and touching up those highlights on the eyes. Well, hey guys, I have a ton of these 3D drawing videos, and if you love them, check out the playlist. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.